we made this model of type of plants.
There are various type of plants here like creepers, herbs, shrubs, trees and many more.
My name is David Yadav. I study at GLH Public School, Rewari. I am standing here to tell you about Chandrayaan 3, in the vast space of our universe, where Chandrayaan 3 and mythology shines brightly as a symbol of India's astral hope and exploration. It is the India's strong determination to uncover the moon mysteries. Chandrayaan 3 is the lunar mission of India, following in the footsteps of its predecessors, Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2.
The airplane is discovered by Wright brothers. I have made this with battery, ice cream sticks, fan, motor and cardboard paper wires.
मेरा नाम ममता शर्मा है। स्कूल में मेरी बेटी और मेरा बेटा पढ़ता है। मेरी बेटी 4th क्लास में है। जब से हमने स्कूल में एडमिशन कराया है उसमें काफ़ी अच्छा डेवलपमेंट है, स्टडी में भी, ओवरऑल पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग, हम लोग काफ़ी सेटिस्फाई हैं। साइंस एग्जीबिशन भी स्कूल में बहुत अच्छी है जो आज हमने देखी। आज हमारी बच्चों का PTM है। उस दौरान जब हम स्कूल में आए तो जो स्कूल में इम्प्रूवमेंट और डेवलपमेंट देखे हैं बहुत अच्छे हैं। हम लोग काफ़ी सेटिस्फाई है। आगे भी हम चाहते हैं कि बच्चे हमारे यहीं पढ़े।
Electrons carry negative charge, protons carry positive charge, and neutrons are neutral. So the protons and neutrons are present in the nucleus, and the electrons are present in these shells.
Rectilinear motion. Motion in a straight line. In simple words, an object which moves in a straight line. For example, this car is moving straight on the road. Now, second one is downhill motion. Downhill motion means someone or something is moving downward to the slope. This is a good example of downhill motion. Now, third one is periodic motion. This will explain how.
Periodic motion is a motion in which we take small intervals to move, and it is also known as auxiliary motion. The periodic motion example is seesaw. Seesaw is a great example of periodic motion. Thank you. I hope you like our project.
The homemade volcano can be erupt because of reaction between acids and base.
The acid present in the vinegar and reacts with base, chemical name sodium hydrogen carbonate, and produce carbon dioxide. Thank you.
The glucose is the basic unit of carbohydrates. The formula of glucose is C6H12O6. When we eat carbohydrates, it digests and release glucose. That glucose is carried by the blood to the cells and tissues, and in the cells, the glucose broke down into small particles and release energy.
The lungs are an essential organ for all mammals. There are two functions of lungs: gas exchange and ventilation.
Lungs are the part of breathing system. Under the lungs is a diaphragm, a muscular sheet separating the lungs from the abdomen. The diaphragm moves up and down to increase the space in the chest, like the balloons at the bottom of the bottle. Thank you. Water purification is the process of removing undesirable chemicals, biological contaminants, and wasted materials from the water.
The goal is to produce water that can be fit for the purposes like drinking, bathing, washing clothes, etc.
So, first up, food goes to salivary glands to esophagus, esophagus to liver where the bile juice is produced to break our food. Then it goes to stomach to pancreas, and then to small intestine where the
वाटर पोल्यूशन, आप तो जानते हैं आजकल वाटर पोल्यूशन कितना बढ़ गया है। अब हमें वाटर की बहुत सख्त ज़रूरत है। हम इसके बिना एक घंटा भी ढंग से रह नहीं सकते। तो हमें इसको कैसे सेव कर सकते हैं, हमें देखना चाहिए। इसके कॉजेज़ क्या हैं, इसके प्रिवेंशंस क्या है, इसके इफेक्ट्स क्या है हमारे ऊपर।
The atomic structure of element neon. As you can see, it has two orbits. The one has 2 electrons and the other has 8 electrons, together making the number of electrons 8. And its nucleus has red and green particles which are protons and neutrons. They all help in the conduction of electricity.
It is basically a spacecraft which is designed to maintain a crew, and it is for remaining in the space for an extended period of time. It is mainly made for the humans to live in space and work in outer space for an extended period of time. Thank you.
Hello everyone. So 3 of us have made project on indicators.
So here we have natural indicators and here we have synthetic indicators. So natural indicators are extracted from nature to determine that the substance is acidic in nature or basic in nature. So first we have red litmus, and if we add base in red litmus, it turns into
We have mixed iron fillings in water, and the iron is a metal, so magnet attracts the iron and it forms some designs.
Myself Payal, myself Latasha, and we are here with our project, that is electrolysis. Electrolysis is a way of separating a liquid from its different ions by passing an electric current through it. We have used two pencils here because pencil consists graphite, and graphite is a good conductor of electricity.
Is a table fan made from cardboard, thermocol, decoration stone, DC motor, fan, etc. It is mostly used in houses.
It's me, Avni of grade 9.
And it's me, Radhika of grade 9. We both are here to explain you about digestive system. Ingestion. The process through which we take in the food is known as ingestion. After that, the food goes to food pipe. Food pipe is about 25 centimeter long. Then the food enters into the liver. It produces bile juice and it helps in digestion.
Then it enters into stomach. It produces hydrochloric acid, which helps in digestion.
Morning, sir. Today, me, Sia, and me, Parthi, are here to represent our model windmill. So, we have made this from cardboard,
DC motor,
batteries, and a lots of hard work. Look, when the wings of the windmill rotates, electricity in the house is coming. This is all about a windmill. Windmill is a machine that produces electricity. It works with the wind.
This is water fountain. This used to receives the air quality to fresh and pure.
This is hand carrying fan. This is used in olden times. जब पुराने ज़माने में बिजली की बहुत कमी हुआ करती थी, इसलिए ये यूज़ होते थे.
This is electrolysis. The process is called electrolysis. This whole system is called electrolyte. In this, we have H2O and water. And H2O and NaCl in it. NaCl will break in Na positive and Cl negative, and H2O will break in H positive and OH.
Today, I, Alina,
I, Sakshi, and I, Varsha,
Are here to represent the model based on rainwater harvesting.
rainwater harvesting is a method of conservation of water where rainwater comes in the collection tank to prevent the storage of water. It's mainly found in the Assam and Rajasthan.
The collected water can be used to refill the wells and replenish groundwater.
We have made a project on excretory system. This is my team.
Hi, Jia.
I, Yashika.
And we just, as you can see, there are one pair of kidney, one pair of ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So kidney purifies our blood and the rest of the waste is transferred from ureter and then urinary bladder.
Wheel and axle is a simple machine that have a wheel and an axle. Wheel and axle work by rotating the wheel like this, and the bucket goes. The form of energy that an object gains it's lifted is called potential energy. A form of energy that an object or a particle has by reason of its motion is called kinetic energy.
An elevator or lift is a machine that vertically transports people or freight between levels. They are typically powered by electric motor that drive traction, cables or counterweight systems. Hello everyone, we are the students of class 5 are here to represent our project. Our project is all about states of matter. There are 3 states of matter: solid, gas, liquid. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I am explaining about the model of Tesla coil. See, he said when you pass current through a copper coil, it will generate electromagnetic waves. This works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. Thank you.
Hello everyone, today I Chirag of class 6 here to explain my project. My project is all about types of houses like kacha house, pakka house, igloo house, houseboat.
So I am standing in front of you to explain the structure of the nucleus. This is the nucleus, which is having 5 parts. The nuclear membrane, which protects the nucleus. The nuclear core, which is the way to pass the
So
material.
today I am going to explain this model, animal cell. So here we can see there is an outer covering that is named as plasma membrane. It is a semi-permeable membrane, and it only allows some specific materials. And in here there is nucleus. It is the control center of our cell.
Hello everyone, we are students of class 11th medical and we are showing excretory system here. In this, blood comes from our body and goes to kidney. Here it gets filtered and the waste blood comes into ureter and stored in urinary bladder. From urinary bladder.
Hello everyone, we are the students of class 6. We made an electric car.
This car is made from metal. The remote gives power to motor and motor gives power to front wheel. So our car moves backward and forward both directions.
I am Khushi and I am going to explain you the functioning of a heart. Our deoxygenated blood from the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava enters our heart through right atrium, and from the right atrium it travels to right ventricle and then to our lungs. From the lungs, the oxygenated blood enters our heart from right atrium, then to left ventricle, and then it went to aorta and then to other parts of our body.
I am Sanskriti and tell these chambers are, there are 4 chambers of the heart. Right atrium, left atrium,
Good morning everyone. I Kalpana is here to explain you all about flow of blood. So this is a heart, and our heart is a fist-like structure that is present in the left and center, and it pumps our blood throughout our body. So
Good morning, sir. This is the process of opening and closing of stomata. The stomata is present in the small leaves. These are porous. It is present in the leaves of plants. These help in making food.
This is water level indicator which indicates water at different levels. So when the tank get completely filled, the buzzer will ring, and which means that the tank has been filled and you have to cut off the water supply.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Kalra. I am mother of Inaya Kalra. She is in grade 1. I want to give some review as to today's PTM, and all the parents of grades from pre-nursery to 12th are invited. There is a science exhibition is going on, and we show a very good activities in children. The children has done really a very good hard work. This is really very appreciable. As due to my science background, I came to know that वहाँ पे बच्चों को बहुत अच्छे से सिखाया जाता है, and the explanation is very good. I really hope कि आप सब भी आएँ और देखें, और इस लेवल का स्कूल रेवाड़ी में नहीं है, तो आप भी आएँ, देखें और अपने बच्चों का भी यहाँ पे एडमिशन करें. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, what do you have to say about this science exhibition?
About the science exhibition, yeah, it's a very good and great innovative idea which the students have present on this. Their hard work has shown, and it is a paving way for the students for their better future.
बच्चों ने बहुत मेहनत करी है और बच्चों ने बहुत अच्छा बनाया है. ये बच्चों को हर साल पार्टिसिपेट करना भी चाहिए. मेरे बच्चे भी इसी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं.
अच्छा है ये सब कुछ. स्कूल अच्छी तरह एक्टिविटी करवा रहे हैं बच्चों को. सब बच्चे अच्छा बता रहे हैं, जो सब कुछ अच्छा हो रहा है.
आज की पीटीएम इस सत्र की 2023-24 की दूसरी पीटीएम थी, जिसका मोटिव केवल पेरेंट के साथ मिलना और बच्चों की बेटरमेंट के लिए बात करना था. इससे पहले हमने पीटीएम और करी थी एक, उसमें हमने बच्चों के लूप होल्स बताए थे. आज की पीटीएम में हमें थोड़ा सा ग्रोथ नज़र आया बच्चों में. और जैसे कि आपने पहले भी कवरेज की थी, पहली पीटीएम में हमने एसएसटी को कवर किया था, सोशल साइंस की, और हमने थीम ली थी भारत की. भारत में हमने नॉर्थ इंडिया को दिखाया था स्कूल में. और आज जैसा कि आपने देखा कि साइंस एग्जीबिशन बच्चों ने बनाई, ये केवल मिडिल विंग का काम है. सीनियर विंग इसमें 1 या 2 बच्चे होंगे जस्ट सपोर्ट करने के लिए. और मिडिल विंग ने इतना अच्छे प्रोजेक्ट्स तैयार करे हैं और इतना अच्छा एक्सप्लेनेशन दिया है. साइंस एग्जीबिशन पीटीएम पे लाने का मतलब ये है पेरेंट्स को रूबरू कराना बच्चों की नॉलेज के बारे में. जब बच्चा सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट सीखेगा, जैसे कि आपने एक उसमें देखा होगा प्रोजेक्ट में, बच्चे ने विंड मिल बनाया है, बच्चे ने हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी दिखाई है, कैसे देश के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के कंजप्शन ज़्यादा हो रही है, आगे फ्यूचर जनरेशन के लिए वो चिंतित हैं, इसके और भी रास्ते दिखाए गए हैं। आपने बिल्कुल एंट्रेंस पे चंद्रयान को देखा होगा। चंद्रयान 3 के बारे में, चंद्रयान 3 के बारे में कुछ लोगों को बहुत अच्छा ज्ञान है और कुछ लोगों को ज्ञान नहीं है। लेकिन जब हमारे बच्चे की आपने इंटरव्यू ली होगी, आपने देखा होगा उस बच्चे ने कितना बखूबी, कितना सुंदर उस चंद्रयान को व्यक्त किया है। We GLHians are praying for the safe landing of चंद्रयान। ये अपने नेक्स्ट कक्ष में प्रवेश कर चुका है 9 अगस्त को, और अब आने वाले टाइम में हम इसकी सेफ लैंडिंग की प्रार्थना करते हैं कि ये सेफ लैंड करे और हमें चंद्रयान और चंद्रमा के आसपास की चीज़ों के बारे में पता चले, वहाँ यापन कैसा है।
थैंक यू।
थैंक यू सो मच सर।